content, and then we'll get to it all.
exciting. I like shopping for new stuff when I have to. You know, I'm the type to use something until it breaks. You know, I don't upgrade stuff just for fun. But man, I'm kind of sad. Me and this thing had a lot of good memories together. But what we're gonna do now is gonna go old school, cook the burgers and potatoes over a fire. So I'm gonna get the fire going. We'll set this up. And then my cast iron on top of the fire. Put it up like that and cook this like that. So RIP. Those are trail stove. She's been loyal. She's been a real one. Do you have any recommendations for new stoves that you guys use that have been really good and that really won't break the bank? Let me know. Go, man. So we got the fire going good. We'll let these logs on top kind of die down, the fire die down a little bit, and then we'll cook the burgers on the cast iron right on top of the fire. It should be good. here. Okay. Last night was perfect weather, perfect sleeping weather. It was like 55 degrees and we slept like babies. It was perfect sleeping bag, no heater weather. But yeah, sun's coming up right now. The view is amazing. And honestly, I'm sad to leave this place today. This is an awesome place and I wish I could stay here for like a week straight. But I gotta get home and gotta get back to work. You know, reality. Yeah, really good night, good last couple of days here. It was a great trip. Brooke had a blast, and we already want to come back. We haven't even left yet. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast real quick, make some coffee. Definitely need some caffeine today. We got a long drive home, and then we're gonna sit down, enjoy the view for a little while, and slowly set things up. And the good thing is we get to hit a few trails on the way out of here, so that's gonna be fun. Bit of excitement on the way out, but that's about it. That's all we got going on right now.
Like when you put them in the water and they come back to food.
Strong. This one's still alive. Carry knife, only $5. Not bad. They're on sale right now, I guess for the holidays.
Yeah, they were so tight to open. I can't even open.
I've been using it the last couple of days. It's been good. That's how it looks right there. It's kind of got like that Benchmade lock system. Just like that. Pretty good little knife. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Go. Ready. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Hard, hard, hard. Go, go, go. All the way up. Hang on the ladder. Hang on. Hang on. Whoa. 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 All right, let go. Let go.